Every great breakthrough in history began with a single spark of curiosity. The will, the vaccine, the internet, all born from researchers who dared to ask, what if? In India, thousands of brilliant scholars carry this spark. But too often, that spark struggles to become a flame. Limited access to world-class labs, funding barriers, lack of collaboration. For too long, our researchers have fought this battle alone. But what if there was a place where scholars were not alone? A place built for them, by them. Welcome to our lab, India's first exclusive research scholar community platform. Here, research doesn't just live in journals, it thrives in collaboration. Monthly webinars with CXOs and world-class scientists, 4 physical meetups a year in India's metro cities where scholars meet, debate and innovate. Full access to partnered labs in India and across the globe. Placement pathways with multinational companies hungry for innovation. And most importantly, research funding and project grants that turn ideas into reality. Already over 1,000 members from Harvard, Cornell, MIT, IISc Bangalore, IIT Delhi, IIM Calcutta and Jadavpur University are building the future together. And we are just getting started. With a bold vision to raise 6,000 crores in research project funding over next 3 years, our lab is set to fuel India's largest research-driven movement. Through our lab foundation, we go one step further, empowering unprivileged scholars, funding grassroots innovation, and building incubation centers in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Because we believe that talent is everywhere, opportunity must be too. Our lab is more than a platform. It's a revolution, a home for innovators, a bridge between academia and industry, a global stage for Indian talents. Here, your research won't just survive, it will shine, inspire, transform the world. Our lab. Research beyond boundaries, innovation beyond imagination. Join us today and be a part of India's research revolution.